Hello dear student, this is Rishi Singh and you are watching me on our new YouTube channel St. Xavier Senior Secondary School Hardoi. Student, if you have not subscribed our new YouTube channel, please subscribe our new YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos and notifications. Student, today we will study chapter 2 of English workbook and the name of the chapter is How the Cat Became. It has been written by Ted Hughes. Now let us learn word meanings. Oddity, unusual creature, one who does peculiar things. Launched, relaxed, in the position of rest. Persuade, convinced, completely certain about something. Grubbing around, working hard, to work hard. Hay cocks, conical piles of hay or grass, bundles of hay or grass, swarming with, filled with, full of something, nipped, pinched, rafters, sloping timber of the roof, the timber of the roof which is inclined, is spiny, a small area of trees and bushes, an area which is covered with trees and bushes. Students, now I am going to narrate summary and it is first part of the summary. Students, before narrating the summary, I would like to ask one question. Students, do you like to do work? Yes, I know the answer. All of you like to do work. But students, in this story, there is a cat who did not like to do work at all. He loved to compose tunes. Students, the story is very humorous, so let us enjoy it. Students, this story is about a cat who lived in a hollow tree in the wood. He was a real oddity. Why was he a real oddity? He was a real oddity because he did not like to do work at all and he used to make his music. Students, at night, when all the creatures of the wood used to sleep soundly, he used to make strange and horrible sounds like screeching, yowlings, and wailings. Dear students, it disturbed the other creatures of the wood. And students, at night he retired in the hole of the tree, tucking his violin under his chin, looked towards the sky and smiled at the stars and winked at the moon. And in this way, he composed his tunes all night. The other creature of the wood did not like it at all. Now, second part of the summary. Students, all the creatures of the wood were very disturbed due to the deeds and actions of the cat. And as usual, he lounged all day long and loved sleeping in the sun. So the animals and the birds decided to persuade him to take up a job. Wherever the cat went, the birds followed him and asked him, take up a job, take up a job. So the cat was greatly disturbed and troubled by the animals and the birds. So he decided to flee away from the wood. At last, he made up his mind to take up a job. So he decided to do work for humans. So he went to a man and got a job of catching rat and mouse in his farm. Now, this is third and last part of the summary. Students, now the cat started to catch rats and mice at night. At first he faced many difficulties and problems to perform his work. Why? Because the rats and the mice pinched and nipped him and they tried to frighten him. So at starting he did not like to do his work at all. But he learned his job very quickly. So the wife of the man loved him very much. She took him in her lap and stroked him for many hours. Now, many cats arrived there and joined his company. They danced and enjoyed music and loved to do their job happily. Now the topic ends here, and student, I am going to give you a reminder once again. If you have not subscribed our new YouTube channel, please subscribe our new YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos and notifications. Thank you for being with us.